Today, I'm gonna see all of the stores in Brookhaven. Of all of the restaurants, I mean. First, let's go in the swimming pool. Now, let's go to the ice cream shop. It's very hot today. Let's go. Woohoo! Ice cream shop we go. Ice cream shop we go. Let's go, guys. It's right there. Let's get in our cycle. Okay. Hi, owner of the restaurant. I want blueberry ice cream. Blueberry ice cream, please. Okay, let me give you some money. Be delicious, guys. Just give them some money. Guys, if you want some ice cream, then right. Okay, next, we are gonna go to the grocery store. First, let's get the new update. Wow, this update is really good. Wow, it's so good, guys. Now let's go to the grocery shop to buy some things like Cheetos. Let's go, guys. Run. Let's go. What the heck is he? Let's go. Where's the workers? Oh, hey, there you are, worker. Okay, let me get that card. And now let's buy some cookies. Ooh. This is not good. This is muffins. Yee-hoo, we got everything we need. First, let's get some Gatorade, some water. Next, there's some sandwiches. Who loves sandwiches? Next, there's some pizzas, Cheetos, blue one and red one. I love it. Now there's some milk. We got some milk, ice cream, yum. Now let's go. Where's my fins? Why are you dancing? Let's get this. Let's buy some onion cake. Let's get some muffins. Then now I just want this muffin place. Stop them in my roll kit. Thank you. Dim it! I said dim in my bag. I said dim it. Thank you. And let me give you some money. Woohoo! Let's go with this stuff. Let's go to the barter place next. First, let's check this sign. What does it say here? I don't know what it says. Now let's go to the barter shop. Rainbow guy with money. Let's go, guys. That barter looks so delicious. Let's go inside quickly. Hello, I want some burger and some fries and some juice. Okay, let's go sit. Yeah. Hey, give me my burger. Give it. Finally, you give me it. Let's eat some burger. It's so juicy, guys. Guys, it's very nice. So nice, guys. It's so nice. What is wrong with you, guys? What is wrong with you? I said, what is wrong with you? Okay, bye. First, let me give you some money. Poor little guy. Let me give you some money. Money. Here you go. So next, we are gonna go to the coffee shop. First, let's see the new mall. It looks so great. Wow. It's so great, guys. Wow. It's so great, guys. Now let's go to the coffee shop with the new cycle. This pink, I love pink. Woohoo! Hey, little girl love pink. Even me. Let's go to the stop sign. I want the pink latte, please. I'm pink latte. Hey, give me my pink latte. Thank you. Thank you now, hero. Your money. This is so delicious, Hugo. Next, we're gonna go to the Toto shop. Not the Toto shop. The meat shop. First, let's go and study. Studying is so fun. Studying is so fun. Yeah, let's just be very quiet. Let's go and very quiet. Let's go. Oh, this book is so nice. We have to be very quiet. We are gonna steal all of it. Now let's go to the shop. Let's go. Walker, why are you bold? Right, rock. Okay, so I want some meat. Thank you. I'm done eating it. I'll give you some money. So guys, now I'm gonna go to the tattoo shop. Woohoo. Let's go, guys. See, this place is so boring. It's just blue. Oh guys, it's just blue. Oh, what is this? Bad doors! Ah! Let's go to the tattoo shop now. Okay. So I want some tacos and burritos. Hey, stop sitting down. Thank you. Let's eat the burrito first. Now the taco time. It's very delicious. Now let's give some money. It's very delicious, little guy. Bye. So next, we're in next part 2. I'm gonna show another view of food in another game probably. Bye guys. And if you want to see the part 2, make sure to like and subscribe.